AI in Internet Management, Transforming Connectivity, Security and Optimization. Welcome to this in-depth guide on how artificial intelligence is transforming Internet management across industries. In the next 2 hours, we're diving deep into the technologies, tools, and real-world applications of AI in managing online systems. From optimizing network traffic to detecting cyber threats in real time, AI is changing the way we stay connected. Whether you're a business leader, IT professional, or just curious about the future of the internet, this video is for you. We'll break down complex concepts into simple, actionable insights you can understand and apply. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how AI is driving the future of internet management. Let's get started with the basics, what internet management means and why it matters today. Introduction. Welcome, and what to expect in this video: why AI matters in managing the internet today, real-world relevance, business, education, cybersecurity, etc. A quick roadmap of what will be covered. Basics of internet management. What is internet management? Key components: traffic, bandwidth, security, and content control. Traditional versus modern, AI-powered approaches. Introduction to AI in internet infrastructure. Role of AI in digital infrastructure, how machine learning helps in monitoring and control. AI for smart routing, server load balancing, and edge computing. AI for network traffic optimization. Real-time traffic prediction and redirection. AI-powered congestion management. Dynamic bandwidth allocation using ML algorithms. Case studies. ISPs using AI to manage peak hour loads. Cybersecurity and threat detection. AI in real-time threat detection, malware, phishing, DDoS, behavior-based anomaly detection systems. Role of natural language processing in filtering harmful content. Case study. AI-based firewalls and endpoint protection systems. AI in content filtering and access management. Smart filtering using AI for schools, businesses, governments. User behavior analysis and content recommendation. Role in privacy compliance, e.g., GDPR. Predictive maintenance for network hardware using AI to forecast hardware failures. Reducing downtime using AI-based monitoring. Cost saving for businesses and ISPs. AI in IoT and edge internet management. Managing internet traffic in IoT-heavy environments. Smart homes, smart cities. How AI helps regulate connectivity. Role in latency reduction and efficiency boosting. AI in cloud-based internet services. AI in cloud traffic orchestration. Dynamic resource allocation for SaaS platforms. Case study. How cloud giants, AWS, Azure, leverage AI. Ethical considerations and AI bias. Is AI too controlling in internet access? Bias in filtering and content recommendations. Transparency and accountability in algorithmic decision-making. Future trends in AI-powered internet management. Autonomous networks, self-healing, self-optimizing, AI and 6G. What's coming? Personal AI agents managing individual internet usage. Rise of decentralized AI internet management. Summary. Quick recap of all main topics. Most impactful uses of AI in internet management. How businesses or individuals can start using these AI solutions. Encouraging viewers to explore AI in their digital systems. Invite to comment, like, subscribe, and share. AI in internet management is no longer a futuristic concept. It's happening right now, and it's only going to grow. From boosting speed and security to enabling smarter content delivery, AI is making the internet more efficient and adaptive. We've covered infrastructure, cybersecurity, predictive maintenance, cloud, and even the ethics of AI online. The next step is up to you. How will you or your organization embrace these AI-driven changes? If you found this valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to see it. Got questions or want us to dive deeper into a specific topic? Drop it in the comments. We read everyone. Thanks for watching. Habib, thanks for watching.